Hi, I am Barbie Choudhary from SIOM 2325 batch. I had recently completed my internship as Business Architecture Senior Analyst Intern at Accenture. During this time, I got an opportunity to dive into two key projects. First, I conducted an extensive market research on the various sourcing and procurement tools available today, analyzing their features and market position. Secondly, I explored the impact of technological forces, particularly generative AI, on sourcing and procurement domain. This experience not only enhanced my analytical skills but also deepened my understanding of how technology can transform business practices. SIOM's well structured curriculum played a pivotal role in helping me secure this internship by strengthening my academic concepts and providing a solid foundation in the field.